Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to the 28 Days Eat with Who's Kitchen video series. Today is day 23. If you haven't watched the video from yesterday, I give you guys a brilliant dim sum recipe, a baking recipe, and one dish from one part of the China. Make sure you check them out. I'll pop the link below. This morning, I'm going to give you guys another dim sum recipe. I call it Steamed Rolled Noodles. It's really simple, really easy to make, and super fast as well. At the same time, it's extremely delicious. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Today we are going to use the specific type of flour. Basically, this one is the rice noodles flour mix. It's already been pre-made. And normally would use tapioca starch with rice flour. However, I can't get hold of any of them at the moment during the pandemic, so I have to use this one. If you guys can find this one, perfect. It will be much easier for you. If not, if you can find both tapioca flour and also rice flour, you can use 60 grams of rice flour and 30 grams of tapioca flour to make the mix. So will be the same. And today I'm just going to use this. So today I'm going to use 100 grams of this flour mix. I'm going to quickly weigh the flour first. Then I'm going to add in 250 grams water. So if you decide to use less mixture or more mixture, make sure you add in 2.5 times of water. Now I'm going to mix everything together. So the mixture is combined now. I have 2 cloves of garlic here. I just finely chopped them. I also have 2 spring onions. I just chopped them as well. Here I'm going to quickly fry my garlic for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So add some color on the garlic and I'll be back in a sec. So I just fried my garlics and they're really crispy now. And so I take them further enough to give them lots of color without burning them. So they smell amazing now, honestly. I'm gonna leave them on the side for now. Today I'm using a 4-inch cake tin bottom, which can just fit in my steamer. I'm going to turn on the steamer first. Let the steamer build some steam inside. At the same time, I'm going to drop 1 drop of oil. So we don't need a lot. Then I'm going to use a brush to brush it. So literally everywhere. So my steamer is ready now. I'm going to take the lid off and put my brushed tin in here. And then I'm going to add in some mixture, just enough to cover the whole tin. Then we're going to give the tin a stir. And then now I'm going to quickly add some chopped spring onion in here before it's set. And also some fried garlic. And then we are going to leave it in the steamer for exactly 2 minutes. It has been 2 minutes and I'm going to take my rice roll out. So I got my rice roll out now. Oh, it's slightly hot still. Right, so now I'm going to try to roll my rice roll. Right, still a little bit hot actually. So when you guys make it and probably let it cool slightly longer, I'm gonna put mine on a plate now and I'm quickly make more. I got some Chinese chili sauce here, and also I got some light soy sauce. I'm gonna put some of the sauce on my rice noodles roll, and I will garnish it with some chili and sesame seed. And I will show you guys what it looks like. Here is my homemade steamed rolled rice noodles. Now is the most important part. Try my breakfast. Wow, this smells amazing, honestly. Let's try one. Wow, it's amazing, honestly. So this specific dim sum is originally from Guangdong. It's literally tastes exactly the same. It's so good, it's gorgeous. Honestly guys, try this one, it's amazing. Right, now I'm going to finish my breakfast. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to know what's going on for lunch and dinner, make sure you tap the bell. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye!